Supermicrocomputer steadily gained attention to become famous for innovative technology and infamous for failing to file SEC reports timely, which has negatively impacted their access to external financing and could continue to affect it in the future. This resulted in early termination of certain loan agreements and additional interest on convertible senior notes due 2029, meaning they can't guarantee that additional financing will be available or satisfactory. Delinquent SEC reports limit their ability to register securities for sale, potentially harming their business and financial condition if they can't access outside financing timely. Supermicrocomputer provides total IT solutions for various industries and workloads, including AI and HPC. Their offerings include complete servers, storage systems, modular blade servers, workstations, networking devices, and server management software. They prioritize power and thermal management, using liquid cooling technologies when necessary. The company offers global support and services, flexibility in choosing from a broad array of server models and configurations, and high levels of reliability, quality, configurability, and scalability for their products. Their in-house design competencies allow them to rapidly develop and test complete solutions by leveraging common building blocks across product lines. They work closely with leading technology vendors to incorporate the latest innovations into their products and quickly bring them to market. The company conducts its operations mainly from its Silicon Valley headquarters, Taiwan, and Netherlands facilities, but is expanding to new sites, including Malaysia. Sales and marketing activities are conducted through a combination of direct sales force and indirect sales channel partners, such as distributors, value-added resellers, system integrators, and OEMs. Their strategy to become the world's leading provider of rack-scale total IT solutions involves continuously developing and innovating their portfolio with better price performance and architectural advantages compared to competitors' offerings. They aim to maintain or improve their competitive position in various product areas while pursuing long-term growth opportunities. Key elements of this strategy include strong internal research and development, introducing innovative products faster, and capitalizing on new applications and technologies such as AI, cloud computing, 5G, and edge computing and storage. To achieve these objectives, they invest in engineering, offer a broad choice of products, and focus on emerging markets requiring the latest technological innovations. Their approach to liquid cooling and its benefits in terms of cost efficiency, energy saving, and environmental impact centers on offering rack-scale integration with liquid cooling solutions for CPUs, GPUs, and memory to optimize power and thermal management requirements. They also provide end-to-end liquid cooling solutions and in-house software development efforts for global enterprise customers. Additionally, they plan to expand their manufacturing capacity worldwide to better serve their customers and reduce overall costs. Product offerings encompass a wide range of compute, storage, and edge platforms for markets such as enterprise data centers, cloud computing, AI, and 5G and edge computing. The company provides a variety of server and storage systems in different form factors with single or multi-processor architectures. They also offer modular server subsystems and accessories to improve performance and integrate them into complete server and storage systems. The company offers open industry standard remote system management solutions to manage large-scale data center environments, including liquid cooling. They also provide global service and support offerings for direct and OEM customers, offering various on-site support service plans with different response times, coverage hours, and durations. Customer support services include competitive market warranties and ongoing maintenance and technical support through their website and 24/7 phone-based support. On June 14, 2024, the company entered into a Master Colocation Services Agreement, MCSA, for a multi-tenanted data center facility in Vernon, California. They also leased 21 MW of the facility for a 10-year term with an estimated financial obligation of over $600 million. The company then sublicensed all their rights and obligations to the data center space, with the sublicensee agreeing to assume and fulfill all obligations under the MCSA and service order. The sublicensee will pay the monthly recurring charges due from the company plus an additional charge. In case of a default and acceleration of payments, the company has the right to seek reimbursement from the sublicensee. Most of its research and development activities are conducted in-house in the United States, San Jose, California, and Taiwan. They collaborate closely with customers and vendors to streamline product development and reduce time to market. Supermicro focuses on developing new and enhanced products for emerging technologies while achieving high system performance. They work with leading processor vendors like NVIDIA, Intel, and AMD to develop compatible products for rapid introduction. Additionally, they closely collaborate with their customers to identify needs and develop product plans accordingly. Their customer base is diverse and includes over 1,000 direct customers in over 110 countries, catering to markets such as enterprise data centers, cloud computing, AI, 5G, and edge computing. Sales and marketing strategies have a direct sales force focusing on selling total IT solutions to large-scale cloud, enterprise, and OEM customers, while also providing management software and global services. The company works with distributors, resellers, system integrators, and OEMs as indirect sales channel partners to market and sell their products. They maintain close contact with these partners and end customers to understand their needs and develop new products accordingly. Supermicro's international offices in the Netherlands, Taiwan, South Korea, United Kingdom, China, and Japan support global sales efforts alongside their US-based sales team. International customer product fulfillment and first-level support are provided by Supermicro Global Services and through indirect sales channel partners and OEMs. Marketing programs focus on creating brand awareness globally and showcasing the value brought to customers. Various marketing vehicles such as advertising, public relations, web, social media, collateral, and industry events help gain market awareness and generate new customer demand. The company also participates in suppliers' cooperative marketing programs and utilizes their marketing development funds. Supermicro's manufacturing process produces most systems at their California headquarters while using third-party suppliers and contract manufacturers for materials and sub-assemblies. They believe that outsourcing allows them to focus on product design and development and increases operational flexibility. They work with Ablecom Technology and CompuWare Technology for contract design and manufacturing coordination support. Additionally, their inventory management approach aims to meet customer delivery requirements without risking obsolescence, thanks to their building block designs that allow multiple uses of inventory components. Competition in the IT solutions market comes from large vendors of x86-based general-purpose servers, smaller vendors specializing in server components and systems, and original design manufacturers offering their own branded products. The main competitive factors include rack-scale total IT solutions, being first to market with new technologies, high product performance and reliability, early identification of opportunities, cost-effective designs and manufacturing, sufficient manufacturing capacity, energy-efficient product designs, and localized customer support. Regulatory controls may impact the company's ability to sell or support products in certain regions, especially since there are specific instances of export control restrictions impacting some of their products and potential disadvantages due to new limitations and licensing requirements. For more on Supermicro and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.